This is the Coman T1. It's their snap-open carbon fiber tripod that's built for creators who demand speed, strength, and versatility, all without the weight. Coman recently released the M1 one-click lifting monopod in the Go series. I'd show that here, but they didn't send that to me. They did send me the T1 tripod to check out though, which is the newest member in the Go series. I feel like I'm doing an infomercial here. I've actually had this tripod for a few weeks now, and it's been an awesome tool when I'm filming videos, especially for this channel. Instead of me standing here and sham-wowing it, let me show you what makes this tripod so unique. Instead of twisting legs or flipping latches, the T1 uses a one-snap, quick-release system to quickly deploy each individual leg. This one-click adjustment makes it easy to unlock, adjust, and lock into place, so it can be used on practically any terrain. It has 4-section telescoping leg tubes to extend the tripod up to a working height of 68.9 inches with the center column fully extended. That's with the full configuration that I have with the V5 fluid head and the bowl head. I'll talk about these later on. It can then easily fold down to 27.8 inches, again with my configuration. The legs have 3 adjustable angles with its general angle at 21 degrees. They can also spread further to 54 and then 79 degrees for a minimum height of 10.9 inches. Like other tripods, you can flip the center column upside down to get even lower to the ground. Just like the legs, the center column has a quick release design. With a quick flip, you can easily detach the center column. This makes it easy to switch to low angle shooting or to flip the column to shoot inverted. The center column has a hook so you can hang a weight or your bag. And yes, that hook is quick release too. The column has another neat feature that'll save your hands. It has an anti-pinch feature, so when you're lowering the column, it doesn't just immediately drop down. Instead, it has a stopper here that you have to press before you can fully lower the column. I didn't realize how much I needed this until I had it. Between the legs, there are 2 1/4-inch mounts so you can attach accessories to the tripod. The feet have spikes in them. You just have to unscrew the feet to reveal them. There's a silicone grip on one of the legs that makes carrying the tripod around comfortable, especially in these upcoming cold winter months. The tripod is made of carbon fiber and aluminum alloy, with the legs being made of 3K twill carbon fiber for strength and rigidity. But also, it makes the tripod look cool. That's pretty much the tripod, but like I was saying earlier, there are a few configurations you can get with the T1. First is the T1, that's basically just the main base with the legs. Then there's the T1S that includes the bowl head. Since technically you can easily level the tripod with the snap open legs, you can skip the bowl and get the T1 V5 that comes with the V5 fluid video head. Or you can get all 3 parts like I have here, the T1S V5. That's basically the legs, bowl head, and the V5 fluid head. This whole package weighs at 3.47 kilograms. Now of course this is a different use tripod, but because it is a very popular tripod, just for reference, the original Peak Design travel tripod weighs at 1.27 kilograms, so just over a third of the weight of the Coman T1. Now let's actually take a closer look at the fluid head and the bowl head. First the bowl head, nothing crazy here. It twists to lock and unlock, and can adjust from -7 to +7 degrees. Yes, the legs make it easy to level the tripod, but the bowl head lets you fine-tune that adjustment. There's a bubble level on here to help you out with that. In case that bubble level wasn't enough for you, you get another bubble level on the V5 hydraulic fluid head. This head helps you capture cinematic footage with its fluid dampening. It supports ±90 degree tilt and full 360 degree rotation. It has a 10 kilogram max load capacity, so it can easily handle my video setup. There's easy to twist knobs here to lock everything down. There's no counterbalance or tension adjustment on this head, so it's really meant for simple tilt and pan movements rather than precise fluid style control. The head uses Coman's patented quick release system that's fully compatible with 90% of standard Manfrotto quick release plates and the DJI RS3 and RS4 systems. Just like everything else on this tripod, this system lets you mount and remove your camera in seconds. The quick release plate it comes with has a hidden wrench in it to help you install the plate, and to help adjust your other equipment. The plate uses a standard 1/4-inch threaded connector. The handle is extendable for better leverage and for heavier setups. You can also take it off when you need to store everything in the carry bag. The bag has a zippered pocket in it to hold the handle, quick release plate, and the hex wrenches it comes with. If you're someone who prioritizes speed and portability, this is going to be the perfect tripod for you. As a content creator that's always on the move, I own a bunch of lightweight tripods. The T1 does weigh more than all of them, but for a professional tripod, it's relatively lightweight. And I'll be honest, I hate using tripods when I'm out because they're kind of annoying to set up. I'd rather try to get steady footage hand-holding than dealing with a tripod. After using this for a few weeks though, with how simple it is to set up and seeing how it's made the quality of my videos so much better, yeah, this thing is going to be coming with me on all my future shoots. If you want to pick up the Coman T1, it's going to be launched on Kickstarter first. I know the MSRP for the base is $429, but you can get it at an early bird special of $279. There will be other early bird specials and packages if you want to get the bowl head and the fluid head as well. But yeah, I'll have all the links you need in the description. Now if you made it this far, if I could interest you in a set of knives.
See ya.